What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I'm just tapping in, guys. We had another rate hike on the horizon today, and so I want to cover that as well as unpack what went down in the stock market today. So listen, guys, do me a favor. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Please make sure you help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, check it out. The headline on this says the Fed hikes interest rates by a quarter point and hints at another increase this year. Okay, and so we are slowly beginning to calm down with the rate hikes, as we have had 11 up until this point. And so therefore, guys, we are getting closer to the end of the road, but you must understand we have more work to do to keep inflation tame. How many of you guys feel these rate hikes are for the fact of a soft landing, or because inflation was supposed to be transitory? Or how many of you guys think this is to keep the distance between the haves and the have-nots? I'm very curious to hear some of your perspective on that. Okay, again, the reason why we're in this place in the first place always makes me shake my head, but nevertheless, I'll keep the main thing. I'd love to hear your thoughts below, guys. But check it out, man. The market responded initially pretty well to it. Then I seen it kind of sell off a little bit around 315-ish. Okay, and so again, I told you, while volatile moves are to be expected when the rate hike decisions are coming out, when CPI reports come out, and these type of things can invalidate technicals in the short term. Okay, so just keep that in mind, guys, for future rate hikes, because we will always have, whether it's a CPI report, whether it's a data report, something on the horizon that they can use as a catalyst to move markets around. Okay, class is in session on the day, guys, so I do want to call your attention to a couple things. PayPal is my next big stock that's going to do what Google did. That's what I believe. Okay, and this is more so from a technical standpoint, but under $73. Okay, so it took off today. It was sitting up here at 73. Write this down, everybody. Class is in session. For those of you who want to make money with PayPal, write this down. PayPal has heavy resistance at $74. So Wall Street does not want to let this stock get above 74. Make a note of that. Okay, if we do get above 74, it's off to the races. We're going to $80 and we're going beyond. All right, but 74 is the key level, and you see we got to 74 right here. Boom, we got smacked right back down to 73. But check this out, guys. This is where you do your work at. Around 11 o'clock today, this was sitting at 72.44. I said anytime this is below 73, so 72.90, 72.44, these are our buy zones. 71, 70, 65 ideal, 60, things of that nature. Okay, so if you want a dollar cost average, if you want to get in, you had opportunities today. Don't chase, don't buy way up here at 73.50. I'm talking about when we are at the lows of the day. You see this double bottom? Told you guys, technically you guys had to begin to see these things, because if you could spot these, you could have called this move. Okay, but when it was sitting down here at 72.45, 72.44, all that, those were opportunities to scoop up some shares. Okay, buy this if you want to have this and take part in the potential upward move this will have below $73. Okay, and you want to build it out between the $60 range, $65 range, and 72. That's the range you want to be in this in. And then you reassess what goes on from there. I just want to put that in here. Today's video is not even about PayPal, but I just want to make sure I'm always looking out for you guys, so that if you want to see a potential next big move, it may likely be this one. And I'm trying to tell you guys, as I always do on the front end, don't let it be $80 or $105 and you like, Chris, I didn't know. I wish I would have bought more shares. Nope, I'm showing you right now. When it's at this price right here, 72.50 and below, you guys go crazy. Scoop this up. All right, check this out. Google, ticker symbol GOOGL, Alphabet Class A. You guys know I already told you to spill on this one, man. Watch previous videos for the update on that. But I just wanted to show you that it maintained that 129, 130 level throughout the day today, forming a new base around 128 on the lower end. Okay, typically when you beat earnings and you have a pop, you just stay trading side. Look at this sideways trading all the way from 12 in the morning all the way here. No real move. That's why you get in, like I'm trying to show you guys to do with PayPal, because the stock may likely do the same thing. Okay, you get in on the front end. You don't chase. You don't come late to the party. No, when everybody is asleep, you are doing the work. Okay, and I'm trying to show you guys where you want to be in these particular plays. But today, this one is trading sideways after a major move up. Again, next target for this one, guys, is around 150. I want us to shoot for 145 in this one. Okay, so buckle up. We got a lot more room to the upside. It's currently sitting in my current target that I called this out in the first place when this was 118. I said this is going to 130. Well, we're sitting here at 130. Next, we're going to 150, but the target is 145. Don't overstay your welcome, okay? Now, on to this, guys. Today, class is in session. This is what I want to teach you guys today about stocks being at critical levels of support. All right? Tesla is sitting down here. Let's look at the lows of the day, 262. And then here we had 261. Somebody go look in Discord and let me know what did I call out for Tesla today. I told you guys to look and understand that support is at 263 to 261. Look at where we're sitting at, okay? We need to hold this level, because if we lose these levels as it's currently sitting at, guys, we're coming down to 244 to be exact, okay? But I'll just say the 250s just so you guys have a little more room before that flush to 244. All right, but if we hold here, look what happens when we held 261. I called this in the Discord today. Look to bounce off 261, and then it should test where I said 265. It ended up going to 267. You can't be more spot on than that, guys. These are $1 million moves, $1,000 moves. However you want to phrase it, guys, these are massive moves or money making opportunities, guys, if you can just learn to play the levels. All right, with that being said, after all that was said and done, it comes right back to the place it is comfortable at. We call that right back to home base, and that's where it's sitting right back at support at. Okay, so again, we'll have a same range for tomorrow as long as this doesn't drop more overnight. But 261 to 263-ish is the range that you need to know that serves as support, okay? And then if we can bounce off this, we're going to go test 265. Now you see 267, but the ultimate goal is to knock on the door again of 270. Please understand this, guys. There's money to be made. And look, quick play for you guys. If it gets to 270 and we don't go higher, you just buy a put, because it's coming right back down to 264, 263, 261, okay? The game is not that complicated. I need you guys to just lock in, okay? Another quick lesson and a similar lesson. SPY, ticker symbol SPY. This one is currently sitting at 454 at the time of this, and it is flat on the day. I won't even call it down. I'll just say it's flat on the day. But check this out. Support for this one. Look down here, you got 454. This one has been holding up, but 453 is support on this, to make a long story short. Check this out right here, 453.97, 454.19, or let me see, 453.94. Okay, and so the 453 level, or you can say 454, but guys, stop. Let me show you this example. Hopefully this is helpful when it comes to support, okay? Support in the stock market is like this. Can you see my rubber band? All right. So if this is 454, it can pull down to 453, but ultimately it's going to come right back to 454. It will try to always kind of live in that same area. Okay. If you guys can begin to understand, yes, it may overshoot a tad bit. Yes, it may come down only to fake you out. We call this is a pump fake. This is a false breakdown. Okay. Act like it's going to go to 450. Then boom, everybody jump in and buy puts. It's called a bear trap. And then it shoots right back to 454. Stop getting caught with the same move over and over in the market, guys. That's one great way to improve your trading, is to rectify the things that trip you up time and time again. Okay, I used to get caught chasing when I first started. Okay, meaning the stock was going down, I would buy a put thinking it's going to go down more. Nope. Soon as Chris jump in, That boy reversed and shoot back to the upside. I got burned every time. Okay, I learned quickly after losing thousands of dollars. Let me quit doing that. Let me quit going for that play. I missed it. If I wasn't in it already before it went down, I missed it. Let me wait till it hit support and let me be the one that ride it back to the upside. Once I changed and just modified that little thing, win rate increase, I stopped losing off of that one thing. And before you know it, I start loving the support levels. I start loving buying calls at support once I established it wasn't going to break down fully. Okay. And so if you guys can do that, man, it can be life-changing on your journey, okay? So I just wanted to put that on you guys on today. I wanted to cover the variety of stocks that we went over, as well as the rate hike that we had, understanding that it changes very little for us, but you must be mindful in the moment because it can impact your play in the here and now. But we'll be back to the money first thing tomorrow, so be ready to do that. Make sure you guys get in the Discord. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Again, grab some stocks using the link below. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.